test riding here with Harley Davidson. Come on down, take a test ride. They'll end up showing you a bike. And since we already know how to ride, we're not going to Harley for a recourse. Back to the Yellow Bird. Little cam man sitting next to us. Got a lot of bikers making their way in and out. And they just keep roaring on their way. In and out here at the Ohio Bike Week in Sandusky. And a few more demos going out of Harley. There he is. Come join the festivities here in Ohio Bike Week in Sandusky, Ohio. Trust me, there is a bike for everyone here. Come follow us, everybody. Motorcycles and poker adventures.